Okay. This is Frog and Toad's The Story. It's about a frog and a toad. Yeah. That sounds boring. No, it's not. There's a lot of good stories. Lukey, wait, let's do a story. One day in summer, Frog was not feeling well. Toad said, "Frog, you are looking quite green." Are you doing Toad's voice? Yes. It kind of scared me. It does? Yeah. Why? Does it scare you? Well, can you warn me when you do Toad's voice? Yeah, I could try. But I always look green, said Frog. I'm a frog. Okay, I'm gonna do Toad's voice. Today you look very green, even for a frog, said Toad. It still scares me. Yeah, but I'm gonna have to do that voice a lot because Toad is in the story a lot. Get into my bed and rest. That scared me. Well, don't worry about it. That's how Toad sounds. Toad made Frog a cup of hot tea. Frog drank the tea, and then he said, "Tell me a story while I'm resting." Lukey, can you turn page, please?
Yeah.
I help. Oh, okay, thanks, Beavis. All right, said Toad. You did the voice again. Yeah, the voice is going to happen a lot. Yeah, but it scared me. You didn't warn me. All right, I'll try. I'll try one more time to warn you. Here, Lukey, sit here still. Let me think of a story to tell you. Toad thought and thought, but he could not think of a story to tell Frog. I will go out on the front porch and walk up and down, said Toad. Perhaps that will help me to think of a story. Toad walked up and down on the porch for a long time, but he could not think of a story to tell Frog. Lukey, can you turn page? Here, I help. I help. Okay, no Beavis. Then Toad went into the house and stood on his head. Hey, he doing it? Yeah. Why are you standing on your head, asked Frog. I hope that if I stand up... That scared me. Oh, don't worry, Beavis. I hope that if I stand on my head, it will help me to think of stories, said Toad. Toad stood on his head for a long time, but he could not think of a story to tell Frog. Lukey, can you turn?
Yeah.
Then Toad poured a glass of water over his head. Why are you pouring water over your head, asked Frog. I hope that if I pour water over my head, it will help me to think of stories, said Toad. Toad poured many glasses of water over his head, but he could not think of story to tell Frog. Can you turn page? Oh my goodness, what are you doing? Then Toad began to bang his head against the wall. Why are you banging your head against the wall, asked Frog. I hope that if I bang my head against the wall hard enough, it will help me to think of a story, said Toad. You did Toad voice again? Yeah. I'm feeling much better now.